Hello guys, there is a written BODMAS problem. First we will do a demo solution. Watch. First we 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Then 2 and then answer will be 0. But it is not right because we do not follow the BODMAS rule. You know the rule of BODMAS bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Division and multiplication is parallel. Subtraction and addition also same. Both has same power. So according to the rule, first we have to do the right part 4 into 6 minus 4. Then 6 bracket in the bracket 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So 4 into 2. Then we have to do this multiplication part because according to the BODMAS rule, 6 minus 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Then 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. This is the answer. If I am wrong, comment your answer, please.